Oh, nice, strong, but nice taste. Hmm. Good evening mga kabunso and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mga kabunso, my name is Edwin and I'm your bartender. So mga kabunso, for tonight, I'm gonna show you how to make a zombie. Yes, zombie cocktail. So for the zombie cocktail, you need this white rum. I'm using this Bacardi for the rum and amaretto, almond liqueur, and triple sec, and of course Bacardi dark. And we have here pineapple juice and orange juice, and of course my sugar and my jigger. So mga kabunso, what I gonna do. So let's start for the zombie cocktail. So let's do this. First, 60 ml of orange juice. 60 ml of orange juice and 60 ml of pineapple juice and 30 ml of white rum, 30 ml Bacardi for 30 ml, and for the amaretto, 15 ml of amaretto. It's 15 ml only. It's almond flavor because the sweet, and triple sec, same 15 ml also, 15 ml of triple sec, and put some ice and shake it baby. Shake it. And almost done. So your glass full of ice. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, look at that. It's nice. And at the finish, finally, your dark rum. So, Bacardi double shot is like a 60 ml of Bacardi dark rum. 60 ml. Wow. It look like a zombie. Yeah. And for the garnish, I will make a slice of them. Sorry, slice of orange. Slice of simple garnish. So, simple garnish. And some straw. So, mga kabuso, your zombies cocktails ready. Cheers! So, mga kabuso, thank you very much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget to share. And of course, tasting time. Cheers! Oh, nice, strong, but nice taste. So mga puso, thank you very much for watching. Cheers!